What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Chop Out Van. I'm back once again with another banger video, you feel me? And as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm doing another POV drive for y'all. It's currently, where's my phone at? It's currently 11:14 and I don't have to be to school till about 12 o'clock today because we had like hybrid, which is something that we do. Which is half virtual and half in school. So I figured, why not record a POV drive? I still gotta stop and get some breakfast, and my school clothes are still in the car. So yeah, as you can hear, we got the 300 behind me, looking nice and good. She needs to be cleaned. But I've been having so much going on lately. I'll talk to y'all about that maybe in another video or in today's video. I just been doing a lot, man. But we're about to head to the school. You know, safety first, seat belts. And yeah, I'll pick y'all up when we get on the road. Alright, so we finna exit my neighborhood right now. I've also been learning how to use the paddle shifters, but I can't really do much with that today because I don't have like a camera mount. I'm holding it with my hand. So I'll do one pull with the paddle shifters right when I leave the neighborhood, and then other than that, it's gonna be all natural. Go ahead, put the thing in first gear. All right, just slow down. Put her in first. Woo. Man, she got too much power for me, bruh. I know y'all in the comments might be hating. Y'all might be like, bruh, it's just a 5.7. But like, I don't know, you put them paddles on her, she get to driving like she a 6.2. I don't know. Comment down below what else y'all think I should do to the car. I'm gonna also do a price breakdown video of this car, maybe today or maybe not, because I got work right after school, and yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to record or not. Y'all say hey to yourselves. See how I'm recording this, bruh. back road right here that I'm finna take, it's like hella skinny. So I'm not gonna record much on this road because I really gotta lock in when I'm on this road. But I want to show y'all what I'm talking about first. And I might just put the paddles on them. Oh yeah. But nah, yeah, y'all see how skinny the road is, so I'm gonna pick y'all up probably once I get to McDonald's. Can I get a 10-piece meal?
Would you like barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
Would you like Coke to drink?
Nah, I'll get tea.
Tea?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
I got 10-piece meal with barbecue sauce and a tea. Gonna be $9.70. Thank you.
The food has been secured. Now we gotta continue this drive. We gotta merge onto the highway. I tried to say hey to my girlfriend. She won't go in for it. She's talking about she busy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, how I drive, I be putting this thing in cruise control, bro. 75 miles an hour cruise control. And I just be getting to it. So I'm finna do that in a second. Just gonna get some content for y'all. I can't even see the road. Damn, what he got blowing out his truck? What the hell? I'm gonna pick y'all up once I get to this tunnel off the highway. There's gotta be traffic, bro. Should be good though. I be trying to do a crazy pull in this tunnel right here. Oh yeah, we good. Woo! Sound like gunshots. You go through that motherfucker. Back to back. Long as hell. I can't even hold the camera still. You know we got the bangers on. Damn, this Lexus look nice as hell. What is this? Bro, y'all let me know in the comments what type of... Oh, I see what it is. It's a Lexus LC 500. That's tough, bro. I'm finna pull into school right now, so I figured I'd pick y'all back up. Plus, I want to show y'all this Lexus. Y'all let me know in the comments what car I should get next. Obviously, it ain't gonna be no time soon. I gotta finish paying this one off, and then I still want to do like modifications to it. After I get it paid off, that's when I think I'm gonna really go crazy with the mods. But I was thinking go Infinity Q50 or wide body Scat, or if I got hella bread, wide body Cat or Track. I don't know. But back to the POV. My school is a Wake Tech public safety campus school, so it's straight police officers where I go to school. Police officers and crackheads, literally. Watch. The bus stop is right here. The crackheads might be gone by now. Oh, there's the bus loading up the crackheads. A nice little staying down there. And here's my school, Wake Tech. Look, let's get a police counter going in the comments. We got them right here. We got them right there in front of us. We got that one right there driving. Let's keep going. He's parking, he's police, he's police. Oh God, he just ran over the curb. That's crazy. He's police with a K9. That's weird. More police, police, police. My boy Jason. Jason is indeed not the police. And now I gotta park this big boat. There we go. I'll pick y'all up when school is over. Alright, y'all, so class is officially over, and now I'm headed to work straight from class. I'm thinking, like, I'm low-key hungry again, bro, so I might get some food. Y'all let me know in the comments if I shouldn't be like recording like this, because I know it's not a vlog, it's a POV. But what do I don't want to be like just talking to the camera and having y'all face at my steering wheel as I reverse out of the school, bro. But yeah, about to head out right now. Y'all let me know in the comments what I should get to eat before work. But by the time the video uploaded, I obviously already ate. They just redid this road too. Man, I'm a dangerous man when it comes to using these paddles, bro. See what we got playing. Let me talk to y'all about what we did in class today, right? So basically, we had virtual until 12, and we got there at 12. Well, we got there like 11:40-ish, I think. Me and my homeboy Jason, and then my other homeboy Banks. And we was kicking the soccer ball around and finishing off our food and stuff. Then we went inside, and I was in the classroom for a few minutes, but it was kind of boring me out. So I went into the barbershop, and I was doing some of my assignments that we got. We got this sheet, it's called a what's your name sheet. I was doing that, and one of the tasks is shampoo a real person. So I had to shampoo my dog Jason, and then he had to shampoo me for one of our letters on our what's your name sheet. And then I cut my boy Mohammed, and then that was about it. hemi ticks or something. If I get that, I'm gonna be low-key pissed. But he said that Chryslers are just known to do it, like, so it won't really be my fault. Yo, chat, I'm mind blown right now. This is off subject of the video, but like, I knew that my car, I never had CarPlay. I was always looking at the regular media thing, and I seen this guy on TikTok, and he had CarPlay in the 300, and I commented, and he told me, all you gotta do is plug your phone in. Bruh, look at this, bruh. I got CarPlay in the 300. Y'all might be on my ass thinking I'm stupid, but I never knew that all you had to do was plug the phone in, bro. Because I used to plug it in down here into a little USB, and I guess that don't work. But if you plug it into the center console, you got CarPlay. I'm mind blown right now, bro. I'm happy. I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get off work, but that just made me so happy. So I just got out of work, and my dog Keith is here, bro. We finna go to the gym, and I'm finna outlift him. He vlogging too. What's your vlog about?
I was going to the gym.
Alright, bet.
Damn, this shit close as fuck. Get the fuck back.
Get in, you midget.
Bro, let me do my fucking intro, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, bitch ass nigga. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Okies here, and we're back with another fucking video. Today, I got Vaya with me. We're going to the fucking gym. We're trying to get big.
Gonna get Aki.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But
oh yeah, y'all, by the way, I get this tatted tomorrow, so I will not be in the gym for at least 2 days, because that shit finna hurt.
Young nigga jump out the Porsche down and catch a body, okay. He said nigga whack and won't never say nothing about it, okay. Can't even pay for my cut and acting like she got it, okay. Those are shit rolls like bitches, independent, okay. You gotta make me nut.
we got some editing to do
Tonight,
cause tonight will be the night
that I will fall for you over again. Look, I got this finally, bro.
How the fuck you ain't know you could do that, nigga?
Shut up, bro. Alright, y'all, so right now we on the way to the gym. I got my dog Keith recording. I know technically this isn't a POV because I'm not holding the camera, but I figured y'all would like to see this angle as well. We're currently 14 minutes away. I'm not gonna get him to record the whole 14 minutes, but we're gonna get some content in. So yeah, I learned how to use my paddles. Did I show you?
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit fire, bro.
Use it on the video?
Yeah, I showed them a little bit. I'm gonna do it once we get out of this turn right here.
Alright, bet.
And then once we get on the highway, I'll let you cut it, because I mean, you know, I just be chilling on the highway.
Alright, bet.
I was cutting up with a Challenger on the highway earlier. That shit was fire. It was a girl. It had a gray Challenger with blue stripes on it, and her license plate said, "Ah, you mad?" But it's some country white bitch, and I kept flooring it past her, and then she'd catch up to me. Yeah, let me do this. Put it in first gear.
Woohoo! Shit made my neck snap.
I told him that this shit get like plus 1,000 horsepower once you use them paddle shifters, bro.
I'm telling you.
I ain't never knew what I was doing, and then my homeboy Leo taught me. Now you go like.
Woohoo! Shit.
That shit'll do it right there. You know what hemi ticks are?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but somebody told me about it yesterday. They told me to make sure that I don't give my car that.
Basically don't even get that shit if your shit overheat like my shit did. That's when I got it. I got it like near the end of me having my car.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna pick y'all up once we get to the gym, because I'm about to cruise control like I told y'all earlier. Alright, y'all, so I had my dog Keith pick y'all up because, as y'all can see, we finna get off the exit that we got off of earlier to go to school. And y'all remember that tunnel. I think this time I might try to use my paddle shifters in that tunnel, but I heard if you stay in a lower gear that it's gonna sound better, so hopefully I can do this right. Also, I posted a YouTube short of my car cold starting yesterday, right? And a guy commented and was like, we need more content like this. So I hope y'all enjoy the car content, and let's get in this tunnel, bro. You think I should put that motherfucker in sport?
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. Don't play with it.
Oh, shit.
Don't play with it. Come on, bro. Get the fuck out the way, bro. Alright, y'all. So my shit ran out of storage, but I just deleted some stuff. Bro, I got the green light, and you over here busting your turn right in front of me, bro. So now, I'm gonna have to let you hear it. She farting, ain't she?
That's for my cooch.
What?
My cooch.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
We finna be at the gym in 4 minutes.
Yo, damn.
In 4 minutes.
Neck, bro.
Made it to the gym, but y'all aren't getting a gym vlog from me just yet. So if you want to see us get these gains, you need to go watch Keith's video. He does be taking on how to edit, so
Bro, this shit
it
gonna be
might
done
drop
tonight,
in like 4 or 5 days. But this video will be out tomorrow because I'm editing tonight, and that's on King David. Alright, y'all, so the gym was indeed a success. It's currently 10:43. We was in there about an hour and some change. If y'all want to see what happened, either go watch the YouTube short that's going to be posted, or go watch my boy Keith's video. He got a vlog coming out, a gym vlog. We put in some work. We did some biceps, we did some abs,
Cardio.
we did cardio, we did more biceps, we did some, I think, triceps, but
Oh no.
it was great. I'm gonna end the vlog here because my camera's dying. Y'all make sure y'all like, y'all make sure y'all comment, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, and last but not least, y'all make sure y'all go sub up to my boy Keith and watch his video, because we got hella bangers coming. With that being said, I'm out,
Bitch ass nigga.
and we out.
Hit a whole block, no whip. Baby, all fried so crispy. He got walks on like this. Hold on, call my phone, I'm big. I'm tryna get rich, bitch trip. If I work or die, it ain't no difference. As long as I ain't cheating, she ain't tripping. That's why I ain't fucking with these bitches. I ain't got no